Are you trying to figure out which identity management tool is better? Keycloak and Auth0 are two popular choices. Today, we'll compare them to help you decide. Both Keycloak and Auth0 help manage user identities and secure applications. They allow users to log in safely and manage their accounts without much hassle. Let's start with Keycloak. It's an open source solution. This means you can customize it to fit your needs. Keycloak supports single sign on and social logins. It also offers features like user federation and identity brokering. It's a great choice for developers who want full control. Now, let's look at Auth0. This is a cloud-based service. It's user-friendly and easy to set up. Auth0 also supports social logins and single sign-on. It has a wide range of integrations with other services, making it very flexible. It's perfect for businesses that want a quick and straightforward solution. So, what are the main differences? Keycloak requires more technical knowledge to set up. It's great for those who want customization. On the other hand, Auth0 is easier to use and faster to implement. When it comes to features, both tools offer similar capabilities like multi-factor authentication and user management. However, Auth0 has more built-in integrations which can save time. In terms of pricing, Keycloak is free since it's open source. Auth0 has various pricing plans depending on your needs. This can add up, especially for larger teams. In the end, if you need a customizable tool and have the technical skills, Keycloak is a solid choice. But if you want something quick and easy, go for Auth0. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.